So the next one is, what is the ratio of the charges modulus of Q1 by Q2 for the following electric field lines pattern? Okay. So for that, we can go for the number of electric field lines Q by epsilon 0. So the number of lines produced by the negative charge can be taken as N1 equal to Q1 by epsilon 0. The number of electric field lines produced by positive charge can be taken as N2 equal to Q2 by epsilon 0. Now N1 by N2 equal to Q1 by epsilon 0 divided by Q2 by epsilon 0. Now it becomes reciprocal. So when it becomes reciprocal, Q1 by epsilon 0 into epsilon 0 by Q2. So epsilon 0 getting cancelled. So finally we can get Q1 by Q2 equal to N1 by N2. Then we can go for the modulus. That is number of electric field lines. Okay. Just count the number of lines. 1, 2, 3. So here we are having 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are having 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are having 4. So due to the negative charge, 4 plus 4 plus 3. So 11. So number of lines, number of electric field lines from a negative charge is 11. Here you can go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So due to the positive charge, it produces 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16. So 11 by 16. So for our question, the number of electric field lines due to the pattern is 11 by 16. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubt? Okay, fine. So the next one is, an electric dipole is placed at an alignment angle of 30 degree with an electric field of 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per Coulomb. It experiences a torque equal to 8 Newton meter. The charge on the dipole, if the dipole length is 1 centimeter. Okay. So we are having torque. Okay. Electric field. Then they are asking the charge. Then it makes an angle of 30 degree. So by relating all those things, then we can go for torque tau equal to Pe sin theta. But the dipole moment is not given in a direct way. So P equal to Q into 2A. Okay. Now for instead of P, we can substitute Q into 2A. Tau equal to Q into 2A into E into sin theta. Now torque. So what is the value of torque? Is equal to 8. Upper torque equal to 8 Newton meter. So for instead of torque, we can substitute 8. Charge. So what is the question? The charge on the dipole. That one is asked. Into dipole length. So what is dipole length? 2A is 1 centimeter. Convert the centimeter into meter. So 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. In electric field. So the electric field is Newton per Coulomb. So E equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per Coulomb. So for instead of E, we can write 2 into 10 to the power 5. Into sin theta, where it makes an angle of 30 degree. So theta equal to 30 degree. Then we can go for sin 30. Okay. Now, so 1 into 2. 5 minus 2. So 10 to the power 3. Into sin. So what is sin 30? Sin 30, 1 by 2. So 2 getting cancelled. The multiplication 10 to the power 3 comes to this as a division. So that 8 by 10 to the power plus 3 equal to Q. The power plus 3 goes to the numerator as minus 3. So 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal to Q. The unit of charge is coulomb. So your answer is 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb. Or by taking 10 to the power minus 3, we can put milli. So Q equal to 8 millicoulomb is the answer. Okay, do you get it now? Okay, so shall we go to the next question? The 4 Gaussian surfaces are given below with the charges inside each Gaussian surface. Rank the electric flux. So calculate the electric flux, then rank the electric flux. So what is the formula for flux? Flux pi equal to Q by epsilon 0. Okay. Suppose I want to calculate the flux for the Gaussian surface A. So that it can be taken as pi A equal to. So pi A, the A is a surface which consists of 3 Gaussian surfaces. Then we can add all the Gaussian surfaces, charges. So plus Q minus Q getting cancelled. So the remaining is plus 2Q. So the plus 2Q is the charge in the Gaussian surface A. So plus 2Q by epsilon 0. Now we can calculate the flux through B. Just you can see this one alone. In this, we are having plus 2Q minus Q. So plus 2Q minus Q. We are having plus Q by epsilon 0. Now we are getting into C. So pi C. So this is pi C. We are having plus Q minus Q. So total charge is 0. So 0 by epsilon 0 equal to 0. Okay. Now we can go for D. So pi D. So D is a surface which has minus Q. So minus Q by epsilon 0. So now what is the question? Rank the flux. Rank the flux. So hope that the pi A is the maximum. So pi A is the maximum. Okay, pi B is plus 1Q. So it may be the next. Okay, pi B. Okay. Here it is 0 and it is negative maximum. So 0 is greater. Okay. So pi C. Okay. So finally we can write pi D. Okay. So in the option they may be given. So pi 4 is less than pi 3 is less than pi 2 is less than pi 1. So whatever it may be. So according to the option we can change. Okay. So this is the rank of electric flux through each Gaussian surfaces. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubt? Okay. Fine.